Okay, so here this week we're going to do spelling. The theme of our words is the sound R, like in the word star. So every time you see AR in the word, remember the sound sounds like AR in the word star. So I'm going to read the words to you and then I'll tell you what to do. Charm, marker, garden, marble, yard, smart, shark, party, target, army, and darkness. Now, usually when we're in school, we would have spelling tests, but since we're not in school, I'm not going to give you spelling tests, but I do want you to use the words. So if you have a printer that works at home, please print this paper so that you can write on it. If you don't have a printer, that's fine. Just use a regular piece of paper, a piece of lined paper from your binder, and write neatly. I want you just first to copy the word and make sure you spell it correctly. Make sure the AR is in the correct place. And then I want you to write a sentence with each one of the words. Make sure you're writing good sentences. The sentences should be at least 5 words long and should not start with the word I. So for example, let's use the word garden as our example. So if you wrote, I planted a garden, yes, that's a sentence, but it's not a good sentence because I started with the word I and it's only 4 words. I planted a garden. So instead, I prefer you to write something like, my garden has many vegetables in it. Okay, so I didn't start with the word I, and I have more than 5 words. I also want you to make sure that you start your sentences with capital letters and end with a period. So again, you're going to print this and write on it or just on a regular piece of paper. And then when you're done, please take a picture of your work and email it to me. I know your parents are going to have to help you with that so they can. If it's not done today, that's fine. If it's not sent to me today, that's fine, as long as you're doing the work today. Take care. Bye.